Good afternoon, everyone. Today, on April 22, 2024, we commemorate World Earth Day, a day dedicated to acknowledge the significance of our planet and its role in significant life. Earth Day holds immense importance as it serves as a reminder of our interconnectedness with the environment and the responsibilities we bear towards its preservation.
The growing realization to the need to prioritize environmental conservation and sustainability stems from the understanding that humans are not separate from nature but are a part of it and are connected with it. As human civilization continues to advance, our reliance on nature becomes more pronounced, emphasizing the importance of adopting sustainable practices and mitigating environmental degradation.
In recent time, the state of our planet has been faced by various challenges, most notably deforestation, which poses a significant threat to human survival. The alarming rate of deforestation has resulted in the loss of vital ecosystem, biodiversity and natural habitats, exacerbating environmental degradation and climate change. It is essential to recognize the intricate relationship between the human technology and nature. While advancements in technology have brought about unprecedented progress and convenience, they have also contributed to the resource depletion and environmental degradation. Despite this, many fail to grasp the interconnectedness between human activities and their impact on the environment.
The increasing centrality of human with nature in technological advancements reflects a sudden shift towards recognizing nature as a vital resource and a source of inspiration for innovation. However, this shift is driven out by various factors, including the urgent need to address environmental challenges, harness renewable energy resources, and to promote ecological balance. Despite the challenges we face today, World Earth Day serves as a call to action, inspiring individuals, communities, and nations to take up collective responsibilities for the well-being of our planet. It is a day to reflect on our impact to the environment and to raise awareness. It is a day to reflect on our impact to the environment, raise awareness about environmental challenges, changes. It is a day to reflect on our impact on the nature and to raise awareness about environmental issues and to commit sustainable practices that ensure the preservation of Earth's natural resources for future generations. Thank you.